Today's agenda is simple. Reveal the top 5 best credit cards of 2025. These cards offer incredible rewards, cashback opportunities, and are completely free to use. So whether you're a student, an ambitious entrepreneur, or a busy professional, these credit cards will supercharge your spending, helping you earn rewards while you spend. It doesn't get any better than that. And trust me, you won't find this kind of valuable information anywhere else. So stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know which credit card suits you best. Don't miss out on this opportunity to level up your financial game. Let's dive right in. Now, 5 on our list is the Chase Sapphire Preferred Card. What makes this card so special? Well, let's start with the sign-up bonus. When you spend $4,000 in the first 3 months, you'll receive 60,000 bonus points. That's equivalent to $750 in travel value when you redeem them through the Ultimate Rewards portal. But that's not all. You'll earn 2x points on eligible travel purchases and dining, including takeout and delivery services. And yes, this includes the almighty Uber and Uber Eats. So if you're someone who dines out frequently or travels often, then this card is worth considering. Now let's talk about the annual fee, which is $95. While it's not the lowest out there, it's quite reasonable given the perks and benefits you get in return. Plus, if you spend just $475 in the first 3 months on the card, you'll easily cover the annual fee with the sign-up bonus. The catch is that you need to spend $4,000 within the first 3 months, which might be challenging. However, if you're someone who can meet this requirement, then the Chase Sapphire Preferred Card could be an excellent choice. Now, moving on to number 4, the Citi Double Cash Card. This card offers something a bit different from the rest. Here's how it works. You earn 2% cash back on all purchases. 1% when you buy, and another 1% when you pay off your balance. There are no category restrictions or limits, making it incredibly straightforward to use. It's also completely free with no annual fee. So, how does it compare to the competition? Well, some might argue that 2% cashback isn't the highest out there. However, the simplicity and flexibility of this card make it a strong contender, with no cap on earnings and no need to worry about specific spending categories. You can use the Citi Double Cash Card for everything from groceries to gas without any limitations. It is a great option for those who prefer a hassle-free approach to earning rewards and do want to juggle multiple cards with different earning structures. Whether you're buying groceries, paying bills, or splurging on a night out, the Citi Double Cash Card lets you earn on every purchase, making it a solid choice for everyday spending. Coming in at no. 3 is the American Express Gold Card, a fan favorite known for its generous rewards program. What makes this card so enticing is its ability to earn substantial points on dining and grocery expenses. Specifically, you'll earn 4 points for every dollar spent at restaurants in the US, including takeout and delivery services like Uber and Uber Eats. And you'll earn the same 4 points for every dollar spent at US supermarkets on purchases up to $25,000 per year. Additionally, you'll gain 3 points for every dollar spent on flights booked directly with airlines. Now, you're probably wondering about the annual fee, which is set at $250. But here's why it's still worth considering. The Amex Gold Card offers a host of exclusive benefits, such as access to a range of luxury hotel programs, concierge services, and an array of dining and entertainment credits. Furthermore, the points you earn with this card are transferable to various airline and hotel partners, allowing you to maximize their value. For instance, you can redeem them through the Membership Rewards portal for travel through their partners, where your points will go much further. In fact, just 25,000 points can be redeemed for a statement credit that covers the annual fee. So if you dine out frequently or do most of your shopping at participating retailers, the Amex Gold Card has the potential to provide significant value with its lucrative rewards program and a wealth of additional benefits. Before we reveal the top 2 credit cards, let's take a quick break to address a pressing question. Are you tired of endless credit card offers flooding your mailbox? If so, I've got the solution for you. You may have noticed a growing number of credit card issuers leveraging data analytics to identify individuals most likely to pre-qualify for their offerings. As a result, your chances of receiving numerous credit card offers have skyrocketed. But fear not. I've discovered a way to prevent this from happening to you. By opting out of credit card solicitations through a specific website, you can significantly reduce the influx of junk mail cluttering your mailbox. This initiative was established to protect consumers like you from unwanted solicitations. And guess what? It's absolutely free. Take a moment to visit the website and register. Your privacy and peace of mind are well worth it. Now let's move on to the next credit card on our list. Claiming the runner-up spot is the Chase Freedom Flex. This card stands out with its ability to offer 5 cashback on select bonus categories each quarter, making it a top choice for maximizing returns on everyday spending. Unlike most other cards, the Chase Freedom Flex doesn't limit your rewards to specific categories. It rotates the bonus categories each quarter, giving you the flexibility to adjust your spending habits and earn more. For example, during the first quarter of 2024, you can earn 5 cash back on grocery store purchases and wholesale clubs. Just imagine the potential savings on your monthly grocery bill. The second quarter brings 5 cash back on gas station purchases, which can be a significant advantage for frequent drivers. During the third quarter, you'll earn 5 cash back on Amazon.com purchases, allowing you to maximize your rewards on your online shopping. And finally, the fourth quarter offers 5 cash back on dining purchases, covering both indoor and outdoor dining, as well as takeout and delivery services like Uber and Uber Eats. Now, even if a particular category doesn't align with your spending, you can still earn 1 cash back on all other purchases. The Chase Freedom Flex truly offers something for everyone. Plus, there's no annual fee, making it a cost-effective choice. However, it is important to note that the 5 cash back is capped at $1,500 per quarter on bonus categories. To unlock this benefit, you must activate the card for the quarterly bonus category before the start of the quarter, and you'll need to spend $500 or more in that category to earn the maximum $1,500 in bonus cashback. And now, drumroll, please. The top credit card of 2025 is none other than the Discover It Cashback card. Why did this card earn the top spot? Well, let's explore what makes it so exceptional. Similar to the Chase Freedom Flex, the Discover It Cashback card offers 5 cashback on select bonus categories. But here's where things get exciting. Discover matches all the cashback you earn in the first year, doubling your rewards. Imagine getting 10 cash back on your purchases. It's like getting paid to spend. This feature alone sets it apart from the competition and provides an incredible incentive for new. On top of that, you'll continue to earn 5 cash back on all the other categories where you would normally earn 1, effectively giving you a 5 boost on everything you buy. So how does it work exactly? Let's break it down. When you sign up for the Discover It Cashback card, you'll be enrolled in the Match 5 cashback program automatically. During the first year, Discover will match all the cash back you earn, doubling your rewards. Let's say you spend $100 in a bonus category and earn 5 cash back, which is $5. Discover will match that $5, giving you a total of $10 in cash back. The Discover It Cashback card not only offers high rewards, but also comes with no annual fee, making it a great value. It is a fantastic choice for beginners looking to dip their toes into the world of credit card rewards, or anyone looking to maximize their cashback earnings. With no hidden fees and the potential to double your rewards, this card provides a winning combination that's hard to beat. I hope you found this information helpful. Remember, choosing the right credit card can significantly impact your financial well-being. If you're ready to take the next step towards securing your financial future, click the link provided to grab your free copy of our guide. It's filled with valuable insights and practical tips to help you make the most of your money.